Hello everyone, today we are going to be showing you a little trick to help your carnations grow the healthiest and last the longest. And believe it or not, that little secret hack is SPRITE. And so yeah, most people don't know, but if you add a little SPRITE into the water, it will actually help the carnations grow faster and also last longer. Now carnations don't need so much water. Basically, on the vase, you just want it to be about 5 centimeters. And then with that 5 centimeters, half of it is going to be SPRITE. We recommend that you use filtered water without any minerals. Now, it doesn't really matter if you put the SPRITE or the water in first. We, for purposes of this video, put in the SPRITE first. And then now we're putting in our filtered water. So like I said, in general, the vase only needs to be filled 5 centimeters high. Carnations don't need that much water. And you want to do half and half water and half SPRITE. Apply this mixture every 2 days, so empty and then refill. Whenever we applied this technique, it allowed the carnations to last up to 24 days, so almost a month. Go ahead and try this at home and let us know what you think or the results were. And if this helped, please give it a like or comment.